Welcome to our tutorial on how to search for tweets close to you on Twitter using your PC. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open Twitter on your PC and locate the search bar situated in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Enter the specific keyword or topic you wish to search for in the search bar and then press Enter to initiate the search. Next, navigate to the search filters option located in the top right corner of the search results page and click on it. Within the search filters, find the checkbox next to Near You under the location section and select it to refine your search results to tweets close to your current location. By utilizing the Near You search filter on Twitter, you can discover tweets that are geographically relevant and in close proximity to your location, enhancing your local search experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in showing you how to search for tweets close to you on Twitter using your PC. Enhance your Twitter search capabilities by using location filters to explore nearby tweets and engage with local conversations. Enjoy a more personalized and location-based Twitter search experience by following these simple steps.